Hamburger stew. We're gonna start with about 2 pounds of roasted potatoes that I peeled and diced. Then we're gonna add in about a half a pound of carrots, which is about 4 or 5 carrots. Put that in there. We're gonna put in 1 yellow onion. I got a big yellow onion, so I'm not gonna use all that. Don't wanna over onionize it. That's a word. And we're gonna add in 2 good heaping teaspoonfuls of minced garlic. In fact, actually, I want a little bit more. Actually, I want 1 more. There we go. I like a lot of garlic in my hamburger stew. Next, we got our stewed tomatoes that we're gonna pour over that. And very important part, the hamburger. Got a pound of ground beef. We're gonna drop in there. My hands are clean, I washed them. Just give that a good little stir real quick. Just a light stir, because I'm about to put some seasonings on there. All right. Next, we're gonna take some parsley. Just give it a good sprinkling. This will be at your discretion. Rosemary. Give it that little bit of rosemary flavor. I don't like doing too much of it because it can kind of overpower the others. Also, rosemary is good for growing back your hair, that I'm finding out recently. Got some black peppercorn and thyme. Anybody got time for that? I'm sorry, forgive me. Okay, once we have those seasonings in there, we're gonna give it another gentle stir, kind of get everything mixed in together before we add our last few ingredients. This hamburger stew. All right, once we give that a gentle stir, we're gonna put in 2 cups of beef broth. And we're gonna put in some Worcestershire. I never know how to pronounce that. I still do not know how to pronounce this, but Worcestershire sauce. It's pretty powerful, so you don't want to do too much of it. Also powerful, soy sauce. We're gonna do even less of that, but just a little bit, give it that little bit of kick. There we go. Give it one final stir to make sure everything is mixed together, the spices, the sauces, all the things you want in there. Give it that good last final stir. We're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna put it on high for 4 hours. High for 4 hours, and we'll come back and this thing should be ready to go. Let's check on our hamburger stew. Mmm. Smell all those spices. Look at that. That looks good. Okay, one little pro tip here. So take your spoon and kind of just gently smash up some of the potatoes. You probably won't see them because they'll be more towards the bottom once you smash them. But what that's going to do is just thicken up your stew just a little bit. What you're going to do is you're going to add in some frozen peas. You don't even have to thaw them because frozen peas will thaw out really quickly in the stew itself. So let's just get this mixed in there. Should only take a minute. Okay, we got those pretty good and mixed in there, so let's serve it up. That looks like a hearty stew. I mean, just look at that. That makes me think of like if I grew up in England in the 1700s or something. This is what I would have eaten. The classic hamburger stew. Let's give it a try. It's got everything you need. All in one delicious bite. That really is good. Wow. I honestly wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I really do like this. It's really easy to make. It's really easy to put together. You just throw it in there, go for 4 hours, go do whatever you need to do some shopping. Come back. You got a hearty meal for you and your family.